Hello, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be explaining diffusion and its importance to living things. Now I'll start with a simple definition and explanation of diffusion. Now diffusion means the movement of particles from a high to low concentration. Now concentration means how many there are in a certain area. So I'm going to use this to explain it. So in this example we can see we've got some particles here and they're very concentrated, as in there's a lot in a small area. Now over time those particles will spread out. And they'll spread out until they fill the room evenly. Now this is diffusion, and you'll all be familiar with it just as smells move to fill a room. For example, deodorant if you spray deodorant. So that's diffusion. Now it's very important to living things as it allows us to get important substances into our body and into our cells. So I'll go through that. So, in this example, we just have some body cells. So these are just generic body cells. And here we have the bloodstream. And we'll imagine the blood is flowing this way past the cells. Okay. Now, in the blood, there are many materials that our cells need. For example, oxygen. We have amino acids, which I'll just write as AA. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. And we'll have glucose, which I'll just indicate as a G. Now these materials are in a higher concentration in the blood than in our cells. So what will happen is they'll move, diffuse from our blood into our cells. Okay? Now glucose and oxygen are important for respiration, which provides energy to keep us alive. And amino acids are important because they're the building blocks of proteins. Now it's important to know that diffusion in living things can happen across cell membranes. Okay. So that's what we need, and that's how diffusion occurs. Sorry about the bell. In addition to this, once we've done respiration, carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product in our cells. Okay. Now that is going to diffuse out of our cells, back into our blood, and be carried away. Now hopefully that's a clear explanation of diffusion and why it's important to living things. They may also ask you to relate this to plants. Now carbon dioxide can diffuse into leaves for photosynthesis, and oxygen can diffuse out. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Any requests, please leave them in the comments, and follow me on Twitter at Rushcliffe. Thank you.